How do you measure organizational success beyond just the numbers? Enter the Balanced Scorecard, a game-changing tool introduced by Kaplan and Norton. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive balanced scorecard, aligning performance metrics with strategy across financial, customer, process, and learning dimensions. On screen is a copy of the AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3 Kindle edition so we can copy the prompt into ChatGPT. On the right is AI-powered Strategic Thinker GPT, which is optimized for this tool and others in the book. You will want to start with the first prompt and provide context for your organization in the brackets. It may also be beneficial to upload documents related to your work. Prompt: act as the staff to your organization. Name: your job is to synthesize the following context to assist in performing the analysis. Context is in brackets. If you understand your task, your only response is 3 dots. For this purpose, I've prepared a prompt that will make up an organization, but search the web for a real-world problem we can look at in this example. The prompt states, I need a hypothetical company from any industry. Search the web and find an interesting real-world problem the industry has not been able to solve and would benefit from insights using the Balanced Scorecard. Provide an overview of the problem and wait for the next step. I've also prepared a prompt to execute the analysis step by step without having to constantly cut and paste from the book. It states, now I am copying all the prompts for this analysis and pasting them here brackets. You will complete only one prompt at a time, which is designated as prompt. So store them and return to the next one exactly as written. At the beginning of your analysis and response, you will repeat the prompt you are using, then provide the output. Once complete, I will input K. You will then proceed to the next prompt. If I input K and you have completed all the prompts, your last output will be this completes the analysis for this tool. You may begin the first prompt. I'll now play the execution of these prompts sped up and continue to describe what was input. After the initial prompt, there are 6 additional prompts executed in this video. They are 1. Write the organization's mission, values, and long-term goals, then write a strategy to achieve them. 2. Describe the key performance areas that the organization needs to measure in order to achieve its goals. Then group each KPI into one of 4 categories: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. 3. List the targets for each of the KPIs and list the performance measures to track progress towards the target for each KPI. 4. Provide a plan for communicating the Balanced Scorecard to all employees and incorporating it into the organization's operations and decision-making processes. 5. Write the corrective action needed for each performance area if the organization is not meeting each milestone or objective. 6. Determine and list the other ways to improve the Balanced Scorecard and the organization's performance not considered. Here are the results of the analysis.
Summary of the Balanced Scorecard analysis. This analysis explored a comprehensive Balanced Scorecard framework for a hypothetical renewable energy company, addressing the challenge of integrating renewable energy into existing power grids. The framework aligned the organization's mission, values, and goals with actionable strategies and measurable performance indicators to ensure operational success. 1. Mission, values, and strategy. The organization's mission emphasizes sustainability, innovation, and reliable energy integration. Core values include sustainability, collaboration, and customer centricity, underpinned by long-term goals such as achieving 90% renewable grid integration by 2035. The strategy integrates technology development, infrastructure enhancement, and policy advocacy. 2. Key performance areas and KPIs. KPIs were identified across 4 categories: financial, e.g., ROI, revenue growth; customer, e.g., satisfaction; market penetration; internal processes, e.g., energy wastage reduction, integration efficiency; and learning and growth, e.g., training rates, innovation index. These KPIs ensure balanced tracking of objectives. 3. Targets and performance measures. Clear targets, such as achieving $500 million in revenue and integrating 1,000 gigawatts of renewable capacity annually by 2030, were established. Performance measures like quarterly financial reports and operational audits provide accountability. 4. Communication and integration. A robust communication plan involves leadership endorsement, interactive workshops, and visual dashboards. Integration of the Balanced Scorecard into operations is achieved through performance reviews, decision-making frameworks, and real-time monitoring. 5. Corrective actions. Specific corrective actions address shortfalls in financial, customer, internal processes, and learning growth areas, such as revising pricing models, streamlining workflows, and enhancing training programs. 6. Additional improvements. Suggestions include using real-time data analytics, external benchmarking, predictive metrics, and integrating employee feedback. Enhancements to ESG metrics and cross-functional teams aim to improve alignment with broader sustainability and organizational goals. This holistic analysis provides a structured approach to addressing grid integration challenges, fostering innovation, and driving strategic success in the renewable energy sector.
In conclusion, the Balanced Scorecard offers an unparalleled framework for aligning organizational strategy with measurable outcomes across critical dimensions. By leveraging ChatGPT to create and refine your Balanced Scorecard, you can streamline the process, ensure alignment, and drive meaningful insights. Remember, success isn't just about financial performance, it's about understanding and optimizing the interconnected drivers of growth and sustainability. Start implementing the Balanced Scorecard today and transform the way your organization measures and achieves success.